What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a key for this 2018 Toyota Avalon. This is a push to start smart key. We're using the Autel IM508. Going to start by going to the immobilizer menu, where we will select Toyota. I'm going to do manual selection. We are in the USA. This is a Avalon 2018 smart key. Go to mobilizer status scan. Always want to start out by making sure there's no problems with the car. Nobody can point the finger at you. So what I'm going to do here is back up the immobilizer data on the vehicle. Alright, let's save this as Avalon. Now we'll go to add smart key. Now guys, I'm not saying that backing up the immobilizer data is necessary, but I really recommend it. So it asks us if we want to use simulator key. No, we don't want to do that. We've already got a working key for this vehicle. Learn smart key to start button. Heard that beep? Key to be learned. Start button. Double beep for the learning of the new key. Learning succeeded. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn our ignition off. There's our new key. Seems like it's working just fine. There's our old key. It's working as well. Let's fire it up. Put on the brake. Car starts. Everything is good to go. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you program a smart key for this 2018 Toyota Avalon. Thank you.